Okay, right now I go to Telegram website and I download for Telegram PC for Windows 8 64. Alright, so now it's downloading and after I will install for you. Alright, now we already download and let's start installing. Okay, this is the desktop for the Telegram for desktop new version. We just click on it and we just click OK. Next, okay, create a shortcut and click next, install. That's it, very easy. And so now it's installing. Okay, now let's start. All right, so okay, now we start the mistake and we start to log in our mobiles. We can scan QR code in our mobile. Yeah, so you need to log in your account and click on scanning QR code, right? This is my QR code, and let's say okay, log in your phone and you go to the setting. Okay, alright, so we just click on the phone and they will show the code in our Telegram in the phone. How that's it. This is the number that we got is the 40. Alright, so it's coming with the phone and the computer. Now we have the Telegram. Alright, yes, that's it. This one finish. Okay, now everybody is finished.